6 grade levels need equal time for indoor recess, and the gym is available for 4 hours. When it says needs equal time, what operation should be going in y'all's mind? Okay, you're going to add the number of classes to the number of recesses. It is division. Please keep in mind that you cannot add unlike things together. You cannot subtract classes from hours or hours from classes. So it is division. Anytime we're trying to split something up equally, it is division. So for part A, first recognize that it's division. Secondly, recognize what are we splitting up? Are we splitting up the hours that are available, or are we splitting up the grades? The hours the gym is available. So how many hours was it available? 4 hours, and we're dividing it amongst 6 grade levels. So that's 4 divided by 6. Does anybody know another way we could write that? Cookie.
40 minutes.
Yes, it is 40 minutes, but we're going to use that on part B. Before we go to part B, how could we rewrite 4/6? What would go into both 4 and 6?
2.
So think about that. If I divided by 2 over 2.
2/3.
Or 2/3 of an hour. Really, if we would leave it the way Koki has it, maybe a little, the way we had it may help us get to Koki's answer. On part B, how many minutes would that be? I'll show you a very easy way to convert to minutes. How many minutes are there in 1 hour?
60.
So, the bottom number is the amount of minutes, is the full amount, and the top number is what part we're talking about. So it's really part over whole. If this is the part each class gets out of the whole time that it's available, then we can convert that into minutes. Which part of an hour are we talking about? What would you do to 6 to get 60?
Times 10.
Yes. And remember, the rule is if you do it to the bottom number,
You have to do it to
definitely
the
do it
top.
to the top as well. So 4 times 10 is 40. So you would just call that 40 minutes. 40 out of 60 minutes is just, it's easier to look at as 40 minutes. Okay, in part C, the question changes up a little bit. If the gym can accommodate 2 grade levels at once, how many hours of recess will each grade level receive? We said that there were 6 grade levels. What operation could we do? I'm not going to put that there yet. What operation could we do to show how many people are in the gym over the course, or how many different intervals we need? David? No. You're not going to get more classes just because 2 classes are sharing. Yeah, they're sharing, so we're kind of dividing it up. Instead of doing 1 at the time, we're doing 2 at the time. So we just need 3 different times of day. Now we're kind of looking at it as if just 3 different groups. 3 different groups need the gym, and they need the gym over that 4-hour period. So that's 3 groups using the gym over the 4-hour period. So that's 3/4 of an hour each. It doesn't say to convert that into minutes, but we could. Let's go ahead and convert it into minutes. 3/4 is equal to some amount of minutes over 60. This is kind of, some of y'all may know, but what could you multiply times 4 to make 60?
12.
12 times 4 is what?
Sorry.
5 times 4? 15 times 4. So we're going to multiply the 4 times 15 does equal 60. Do the same thing to the top. So 3 times 15 is 45. So that's 45 minutes. Please look at your answer from B to your answer to C. And in which scenario would the students have more time at PE? C. If we combine, they only get half of the gym apiece, but they do get 5 more minutes of PE, right? Okay, you can stop.